They are sort of removed from these conditionings, and they're also removed from these phonological
conscious emotions, personality,
premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception. Looking cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.
Subliminal influences or subliminal messages, information that bypasses below the psychological threshold of conscious perception. Emotions, personality, and motivation, goals and drive. But subliminals in and of itself, goals and drive. But subliminals in and of itself